Cinema 5D at IBC 2017 is brought to you by B&H, the professional source for all your video needs. Blackmagic Design, amazing solutions for film, post-production and television. Manfrotto, imagine more. Tilta, arm your camera. And Olympus OMD, revolutionary in every way.
Hi, I'm Johnny from Cinema 5D and I'm here with Frederick from Heden.
Heden.
And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you actually a very well-known and established company, but the roots goes back to the 60s, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So is this actually the same company that was, the one that we know from the filming industry, or this is something new?
It's actually the same company. We restarted the company a year ago. We had new ownership. I came in as on the engineering side. So we're 5 employees, and myself and my colleague Eric are the 2 engineers.
What is your core business?
Our core business is follow focus systems for cinema. So we have a really good reputation of making good motors, and the last couple of years we have also have a wireless follow focus system.
Okay, so of course the industry is changing and we're getting more and more cinematic zoom lenses, and that's kind of a niche that you jumped in and trying to help, because some of those lenses don't have any, they're not motorized, am I right?
Yes.
That's what you're trying to do, to motorize those zoom lenses.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, 8 weeks ago, we got a connection with FUJINON with their MK lenses. Their MK lenses are super popular with FS7 and FS5, and they saw that there was a niche for motorization of that specific package. So
they actually approached you
yes.
to develop.
Yes, so big scary FUJINON came to small Heden, and we had a fantastic good talk, and they've been fantastic to work with.
And in a project like this, when you said please make our lenses motorized, how much effort do you have to put into this? I mean, you have some of the technology already in-house and it's just a matter of adapting it to the right lens?
No, actually on this project we started from scratch. So there was a bit of a summer vacation in the way, but we worked really hard, and we actually went back to the roots a bit and looked into the very successful M26T motor from the 1970s, which we know has been still is widely used, and we wanted to implement that kind of system and also make it, because it's a very versatile system. So we wanted to keep that Heden spirit and go and use it here.
What is the secret behind a good motor? Because you actually need really good, reliable, strong motors to drive those lenses, and there are some motors from other countries which are probably relatively cheaper.
Yes.
Is there any secret recipe? What do you need in order to create such a good product?
Absolutely. I think it's easy to forget the fine mechanics. Everything is getting more and more digitalized. You have a lot of smart motors. You focus a lot on motor drivers, small motor drivers, and wireless receivers integrated into the motors. And I mean, it's like everything. Everybody wants digital, small stuff. But it's really easy to forget that the fine mechanics are the same now as they are in the 1960s. And it's not just making a CAD model, put it into a CNC and assembling a gearbox. That would probably work for a while, but it's really difficult to make fine mechanics that work over a long time. So that is actually a real craft, which is I think quite often overlooked.
And when you developed that specific motor, did you have only the FUJINON lenses in mind, or actually, because I guess the friction with other lenses in the market, of course it's different. So do you keep some margin in order to drive other lenses, or that's exactly just specifically for those lenses?
No. As I said, one of the things we wanted to do with this was having a versatile system that we can build on and our clients could build on. We needed to keep the scope. We needed to keep a fairly tight scope because we're a small company and we had a very tight time limit. So we focused on the MK lenses, But this we actually chose quite a strong motor in order to have some power reserve, in order to drive a lot of other lenses as well.
And the kit consists of two main components, am I right?
Three,
which are what?
It's motor bracket, motor, and motor control driver.
How about pricing and availability?
So we plan on shipping. Start of production will be November. That will be an exciting challenge. The feedback we've got here on ABC has been tremendous. So, but we will definitely aim for November. And we definitely see that our clients want it before end of the year. Pricing will be, retail price will be set at 1995 euros.
I'm looking forward to see how that's going to work on the field.
Yes.
And really, thank you very much for sharing the information.
Absolutely.
And thank you very much for watching.